For today's video, we will show you how to send money from UK to India by Remitly. So let's begin. Now, if you're planning to send money from the UK to India, you might want to consider the conversion rate as of the moment. Alright, so here's the conversion. And Remitly offers dependable exchange rates from GBP to INR with no hidden fees. So send your money and transfer with speed and security when it matters most. All I'm gonna do is just hit this button right here to start your transfer, and you will be asked to create an account. If you don't have an account yet in Remitly, this is the perfect time for you to create one, right? And when we hover down below, these are the reasons why you wanted to choose Remitly: guaranteed delivery, secure transactions, global network, and trusted worldwide. Here are some Remitly partners to local banks in India. So SBI, ICICI Bank, Paytm, HDFC, Axis Bank, Punjab National Bank, Canara Bank, and Citibank. Alright, so once again, this is just one of the simple steps for you to be able to send from UK to India. Say, create an account using your email address through the website earlier, or if you are using mobile device, go to the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play for Android devices. Once again, select the currency and the amount you want to send. Once again, here's the conversion rate, so you need to check on that. And they claim there are no hidden fees, alright? And after doing so, choose how your money is delivered. Is it going to be a local remittance or a local bank in India? Enter the name and information of the person who will receive the money. And once again, enter your payment information and select confirm transfer to send. Now, if you are, say, having problems sending money from UK to India, I suggest you go to contact support and let them know that you're having problems sending money from UK to India. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you all in the next one.